Well, it's about time for a new screen protector because this one currently is getting pretty scratched up, pretty worn out, and I think it's time to replace this guy. So, out with the old and in with the new. We have the SmartDevil Book Flip Screen Protector Box series. So, what's pretty interesting about this is, we can get rid of this, is that you kind of just like stick this thing in here and it closes, and then you pull it out and then it's on there lickety split. So it's pretty awesome. Let's go through the instructions now how to do that, and I'm stoked to put a new screen protector on my iPad mini 6. Essentially, it's like probably the easiest installation of a screen protector out. I mean, I've never even seen anything like this, so it's gonna be pretty cool because, you know, I think the days of trying to get the protector on there perfectly and nice and positioned and there's no little dust particles, this seems to alleviate all that. So let's throw it on there and see how it goes. Once you open it, you don't want to get too crazy with it because essentially the whole part of this is that you're going to be closing it and then sealing that bad boy off. So you can open it up, check out what we have inside, and we have a few little installation kits which are nice, and we'll kind of just do this, and this is to help you get all the dust off, etc., get it nice and ready. What's great too is it comes with some instructions that kind of tell you easy what to do. Really, it's just step one, you want to clean the surface of the iPad or iPhone or whatever device you're using. They give you an installation kit where you can do that, where essentially it's going to have the dust removal, you know, all the little things you need to clean it. They give you a nice little microfiber cloth, some wet wipes, dust sticker removal. So with all these things, you can get it to a good spot where, you know, you're getting every little thing off. After you clean the surface of your iPad or iPhone, you can clean your workstation a little bit just to get it nice and ready. Now, this one did come with 2 screen protector, so I'm going to take one out because you can reuse the same box multiple times with different ones of these. So I'm only going to use one right now, and then we'll go through the installation steps and see how it looks. Alright, here's where the magic happens. So again, you just have this thing nice and open with that part down. You're going to take your nice clean iPad, you're going to put it face down like this. So then it's nice and in there. So then once your iPad is settled in there, you're going to close this, and that's it. And then I'll give you a close-up right here. So now that we're ready like that, step 3 is you're literally going to just close, secure, and then you just pull this thing, and you wait 5 seconds to allow it to kind of really stick on there. So let's see what happens here. We'll get this angle over here. The thing is closed. Moment of truth. Nice, and hold that tight. We'll pull. And that was pretty crazy. There's the remnants of that. Then we're just gonna wait 5 seconds. And I'm just gonna even hold it like this just to really keep it on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna wait a couple more seconds. I can hear something happening. I'm letting go. And then the next step is it says open the cover and take out the iPad along with the screen protector. And then it should be good to go here. So here is the moment of truth. Let's see what happens. We're opening the box. Oh. And we are letting it out, and we'll see what happens. And that is absolutely insanity because now the screen protector is on there. Can you believe that? Wowzers. It is on there perfectly as well. That is unbelievable. I am extremely impressed. I am extremely, it almost looks like it's not even on there because it looks so good. That's it, y'all. That is 100%. I've, done a good amount of these, and this is by far the best, easiest one I've ever seen in my entire life. And it's unbelievable how good it looks. How perfectly it went on there. I don't see any air bubbles, no dust bubbles, nothing. That is absolutely absurd. That is really, really cool. So when you want to do this again, you just take the protector that has this part on top of it, and you just put it in there, and then it's literally the same thing again. You just make sure it's nice and in there and secure right there. It pops into that top part, and you stick it on there, and the exact same thing. You pull it down and pull through. So super impressive, SmartDevil. Now, one more thing as well that I wanted to add is I put my case back on there, and for this case in particular, it does work perfectly. So, it gets pretty nice and flush on the sides there, and so for this case, it has no ill will, and it goes on there perfectly. So for most cases, the SmartDevil Screen Protector should work perfect. A few more characteristics of the screen protector itself is its 9H hardness, so it's pretty darn hard. It's also pretty scratch resistant, so you can kind of, be pretty rough on it. You're not going to do nothing too crazy. What also is good is it's very responsive. Everything works well when you're touching the screen, etc. It all is very responsive and nice. It's somewhat waterproof, so if you get a little water on there, a little moisture, it'll come right off. And in general, I think it has a nice overall look to it, and it's, feels good as you're using it, and it's very responsive. So the quality of the actual screen protector itself is pretty solid. What's super cool too is SmartDevil has allowed me to provide y'all with a 30% off coupon code. So check out that below in the description for that 30% off Amazon coupon code and the link that will bring you there. So I appreciate SmartDevil for helping me out and sending over the product. I appreciate working with you guys. I think it's a really awesome screen protector, and if you're sick of dealing with the bubbles and, just having a huge nightmare of trying to get on your tempered glass screen protector, you cannot beat this. This is hands down the easiest one I have ever used. I can't even believe it still even worked when I did it. Like, looking at the instructions, I was like, how is this actually gonna work? And then when I did it, and when I opened the box and showed y'all the screen, I did not expect it to look like this. And I had a second glance because I was like, is it even on there? And yeah, it's on there. So somehow this magically works, and it's really impressive, and I definitely recommend it. So check out the coupon code below, 30% off. Appreciate using the affiliate link. Helps me out. Helps out SmartDevil. Thanks again, SmartDevil, for the product. And till next time, we out. Peace.